Hello, my beautiful bugs. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. I am a fashion lover, a makeup lover, and a proud mother of a sophisticated cat named Snoop. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, but it's going to be a little different. The reason for today's tutorial is because over the weekend, someone attempted to bully me. I'm going to be honest with you. I have been called the worst things imaginable.
Nothing hurts my feelings anymore.
This is what happened. Some person decided to DM me on Instagram a picture of myself from 2012. This is the photo. It's me as a preteen / teenager. And then this is what they said. That sentence in particular has been said to me
so many times.
And I've also seen that same exact sentence said about other people just scrolling through online, making fun of how they look. And things that they can't physically change. Like, I can't push my eyes closer together or something, make myself more attractive.
For you.
No, I'm good, because I think I'm beautiful. When having self-confidence and loving yourself, you have to love yourself first, because that's who you spend the rest of your life with. And if you don't love yourself, you're just gonna hate everything else and your life's just gonna be bad, just like this person. So because I have been called this my whole life, pretty much, I decided I'm going to do a makeup look that will accentuate that feature these people don't particularly like on me. And here it is. I just think it was very interesting that they felt the need to do this. That just shows you that they're unhappy with themselves. And that's okay. They can be unhappy with themselves.
But they don't need to bring it into my life.
I'm going to go ahead and moisturize and do my whole base off camera, and then we'll come back in with the eyes. But don't forget to moisturize it. Now I'm back, and we already did our foundation, the powder, the moisturizer, the primer, all that. We are looking like a blank canvas. For our eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Avani Greg palette and the blush from my Complex Culture Duo palette. First, I'm going to start with my blush on a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm just going to be blending that all on the side of my nose / in my very inner corner crease. You know what else I was bullied for by this exact same person? My little mole right here. You want to know who has the same mole as me? A lot of people. And I accentuate that all the time by putting a little bit of eyeliner, a little bit of eyeshadow right over that and making it a little darker. I am also going to be blending the blush all the way to my brow bone. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just blending out all of my harsh edges. Now I'm taking the magenta pink in the Avani Greg palette on a smaller crease brush, and I'm really defining where we put the blush. I want a lot of depth here. We are trying to make my eyes look even further apart. Taking a dark purple on an even smaller crease brush, I'm going to go along the edge here and create more depth. Blending this beautiful mixture of colors out so I don't have any harsh edges with a fluffy blending brush. And do not forget the sharp wing. And if you notice, I'm not using Scotch tape today, just to prove that I will still cut somebody, okay? Don't come for me! God damn it! I just put a bit of the blush on the center of my face here, and then blended it out with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm just going in with my contour, making my nose contour super skinty. And I decided to contour my face with the same colors that I used on my eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the dark purple, the magenta, and then the blush last. And I'm going to really chisel my cheekbones. And then for some reason, I decided to chisel out my neck right here for literally no reason. I don't know. And then I put a little bit of purple on the bottom of my nose, connecting to my Cupid's bow. Then apply your favorite mascara. I personally do not have a favorite mascara because I feel like all mascaras are the same.
just melting in my arms right now.
Now I'm just applying some black and clear gemstones with some lash glue. And I just kept moving them around my face. I did not keep them where they were supposed to be. Now applying some lashes.
These are by Doll Eyes Volume Lashes, of course. This is in the shape Topaz. Going in with a bit of highlighter to give myself a little more shine.
I just applied some highlighter to the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, my cheeks, my forehead, and I also decided to put a bit of highlighter on my eyes for some reason. I just thought it would be real shiny and iridescent and match the whole vibes, and it really did. It really pulled through. This is the FRECKLES Nikki Tutorials highlighter, by the way. I don't know if I said that before. And then I'm just going to blend out the highlighter just a little bit. And now I'm going in with some black liquid lipstick. I finally got a black liquid lipstick, you guys. It's by Doll Eyes Volume Lashes, and we're done.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, while you're down there subscribing, there is a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and press that so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!